Hi, it's Tracy Green of the Green Team Coldwell Banker Wallace. I'm a realtor in the Knoxville greater area, so we work from Maryville, Knoxville, Sevierville, Dandridge, even on up to Jonesboro, Greenville, Morristown, that kind of thing. So we are your go-to team. It is with my two daughters, which is Kendra Ellis and Brooke Lavoie. So we were just brainstorming on some different options that might help you get your offers accepted. If you have been following along in some of the posts, etc., you know that our market here, like most places, is really short in inventory. So Knoxville is a booming area, and it has been for a very long time, and Tennessee, of course, is as well. So typically we used to have about 5,000 houses or plus on the market. Right now there's 1,600. So it's very short. Also on the rental as well. So there might be a few things that you want to think about to make your game plan for getting here. So first of all, maybe you go to your local lender if you have enough equity in your home that you could go ahead and get an equity line, have your cash, make the offer here, then sell your house and pay off the equity line from whatever state you're coming from. That would be a really simple option. Not everybody has that luxury, but for that, you may want to reach out to your lender in your state. A second thought is that there's a thing called a recast loan. So let's say you're qualified to be able to purchase a house here with a smaller down payment, and then once you sell your house in your state, then you can take that and put that back down with no penalty. Now, of course, that's going to cost you, but then you could take that dump of money from the sale of your home and put it towards your principal at a one time. So it's like basically setting you up for the first closing and then a second readjustment of the loan. So my lady Patricia Trimble with CMG Mortgage, she is really well spoken on this topic. You could give her a call at 865-216-5509. Another thought that you may have is a little more unique. It would be, let's say you're an investor in your state and you already have investment homes. Well, then you kind of know how that process goes. We have hard money, in other words, small groups of funds that can do these types of loans. So maybe if you're looking for maybe a 2-year loan here until you get things settled in your state. So what you could do there is you could purchase a home using that lender. Now they are only going to work with around Knoxville or maybe on the lakes, etc., but not in the rural areas. So Chip Cagle can give you more information about that. But you're basically you would be renting the property until you got here, maybe putting it on Airbnb, which Brooke is an Airbnb superhost and is doing some seminars on how to be an Airbnb host. Or let's say things progress further or faster than what you thought, you could always refinance. Of course, this is going to be a higher interest loan, but it's not going to be amortized. It's going to be monthly, and it's like up to 24 months. So Chip Cagle, he's with Bay Mountain Capital. He's probably your go-to guy at 404-216-5599. Now let's just say all of those options are not going to work for you. You need to just sell and then come here and buy. So that would mean that you're looking for a conventional loan. Now, some sellers here will not accept a contract if it's based on you having to sell your home. Now, if you're under contract, maybe we can get you figured out. But otherwise, if you've already sold, you've got your down payment, all you got to do is find the house in Tennessee, and you're looking for a traditional loan, whether that be conventional, FHA, VA, whatever, we suggest that you call Margot or Marissa. They're with People's United Equity, and we love those gals, and they're at 865-936-9100. So all of these things are talking about financing and plans to make your move to Tennessee. So everybody is unique. If you have specific questions, feel free to reach out to me or Kendra or Brooke. My number directly is 865-740-3503. Well, we can't wait to see you guys, and good luck and praying for Godspeed.